The US could regulate DeFi, El Salvador drafts Bitcoin regulations, and more news. Recent developments in regulation. According to the Wall Street Journal, decentralized finance, DeFi, projects may still fall under the authority of the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. He noted that programs that reward users with valuable digital currencies or comparable incentives may cross the line into behavior that, despite its decentralized nature, should be regulated. Recent adoption news. El Salvador's central bank, the Banco Central de Reserva, BCR, has released 2 draft laws on how banks should handle Bitcoin, BTC. The first establishes BTC as legal cash, while the second builds on the first. To offer digital wallets, financial firms must apply to the central bank. Applications must explain the type of product being supplied and include information about the target market, risk assessments, charges to clients, customer education provisions, and complaint procedures. According to a tweet from Compass Mining's CEO Whit Gibbs, banking behemoth JP Morgan Chase has apparently stopped all account activity of BTC mining startup Compass Mining. The bank has not yet acknowledged or denied these allegations. CBDC breaking news. Mikhail Fedorov, Ukraine's deputy prime minister and head of the country's Ministry of Digital Transformation, stated in an interview with local news outlet TSN that the ministry is considering testing the country's central bank digital currency, CBDC, by using it to pay staff salaries. He stated that the CBDC's initial rollout should focus on a small, controlled use case rather than on social payments, allowing for testing and preventing inappropriate use. The Bank of Thailand has released the findings of a new study on how to handle the financial sector's ramifications of issuing a retail CBDC. It determined that in order to avoid a threat to the country's financial stability, the retail CBDC must meet the following 3 criteria. 1. CBDC shall be cash-like and interest-free. 2. Intermediaries such as financial institutions shall distribute CBDC to the general public. And 3. Rules or limitations for CBDC conversion shall be established. Exchanges current events. Coinbase has announced its entry into Japan and a partnership with Japanese banking behemoth Mitsubishi UFJ Financial Group, MUFG, to allow consumers to access the platform via the MUFG Quick Deposit feature. Additionally, the exchange stated that it will begin with retail goods, including a suite of 5 top assets based on trading volume, and will continue to expand its offering in the following months. Binance, the leading cryptocurrency exchange, has announced that users from Australia would be unable to establish new accounts for options, margin products, and leveraged tokens. They said that this is part of their ongoing efforts to maintain a proactive compliance posture. Bitfinex, a cryptocurrency exchange, has announced the addition of Turkish language support to their platform, joining English, Russian, traditional and simplified Chinese, and Spanish. Additionally, educational content from Bitfinex's knowledge base is now available in Turkish. This statement comes on the heels of Bitfinex reporting a 734% rise in new accounts opened by Turkish customers this year compared to the previous year. News about blockchain technology. The Australian Border Force, ABF, Singapore's Infocom Media Development Authority, IMDA, and Singapore Customs, in collaboration with other industry representatives, announced the conclusion of a blockchain trial project assessing the country's digital verification systems for issuing and verifying trade documents. The announcement stated that the pilot established Australia's capability to issue high-integrity digital trade documents that can be quickly authenticated, provenance traced, and digitally processed. Zilliqa, ZIL, an enterprise-grade blockchain platform, has revealed the projects for its 2021 to 2022 cohort of the 6-month ZilHive Accelerator program, which assists future blockchain ventures with all aspects of development, from concept to commercialization. Additionally, selected ideas will be eligible for up to $150,000 in expansion financing from Zilliqa's venture fund Zilhai Ventures. News regarding hacking. Poly Network, a blockchain interoperability project, announced that the hacker known as Mr. White Hat has returned $427 million in assets, with roughly $141 million remaining in multisig wallets requiring Mr. White Hat's private key authorization. Additionally, they credited a $500,000 bug bounty to the hacker's given address, restored some cross-chain capabilities, and are now restoring several stuck historical transactions. We hope you enjoyed watching and listening to this video. Please let us know your opinion in the comments area below. If you found our content useful, please like it and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for more crypto-related contents.